Option 1. Secure the remote server access via multi-factor authentication. First of all, you go into your webmaster account and make a backup file for the sshd config file. After that, you do sudo nano-etc-ssh config to go into the file we're going to be editing. Then you scroll all the way down to challenger response authentication and make sure that it equals to yes. Then you go all the way down the file and print the following text. After that, we reload the servers for the changes to have an effect on the server. Once that's done, we go into a separate PuTTY account, log in as Ubuntu, and test the feature to see if it works. And as you can see, it asks us for a password. Now we go back onto the webmaster account and ensure the website, the server is fully updated before we install the Google's PAM module. After that, you want to make sure that you press Y or yes on authentication tokens being time-based. After that, you will be sent a link to your QR code and make sure you scan it on the Google Authentication app to get the time-based codes. You'll also be provided with a bunch of secret keys, verification codes, and emergency scratch codes just in case you don't have the authentication app or something else might happen. After that, you'll be asked a bunch more questions, which you reply in yes, no, yes, in that order. Then you do sudo cp-etc-pam-d sshd-pam-d-sshd-bec. This is all to make changes again to the sshd file and make a backup. Then you go into the files and go to the bottom and write text authorized required pam_google_authenticator.so no and then under that you write auth required pam_permit.so. Then we'll edit the SSH file, the configuration file. Then at the bottom you do the following commands. After that, you go and check if the challenge response authentication is equal to yes. And at the bottom, you replace the passcode of the past text you wrote and replace it with the new one. After that, you want to restart your service again so that it'll be effective. And then go on to your new PuTTY terminal and then try to access the verification.